Okay, it's time to check the IP67 rating. I'll speed up this video, but I do put my iPhone here with the timer going so you can see I'm not playing any tricks. We'll put this here for 30 minutes and then we'll test it. Okay, let's give it a test.
EMG testing on the Retevis A1. An hour and a half after the dunk test, I am talking through the radio or into the radio that was in the dunk test. You're listening on the radio. That was not. Do we have sound? KD4 BMG testing clear.
We're going to call that a pass on the IP67 rating.